We're here. Ying or ying. I never can um, memorize what is the package manager and what is the language here. Sorry, Dunia. And I feel like camera frame rate is a little too low. I don't think I can do anything about it though. Okay. Should not work. So why is it all so small? Do you even need scene transitions? Working on any... oh my god. Working on adding new features cost, wow. How do you get rid of this thing? Scene transitions. Sources, audio mixer controls can be a little smaller. Also this can be lower. Recording inactive, okay, good. I feel like camera is like slow. I don't know, maybe it's usual. By the way, did I show you this thing? I like spent, I don't know, a week on this. It doesn't lag that much normally. I don't know why it's so laggy right now. And set this to 0, we can break stuff. That's Desmos. Can set it to 4 to place leaves, set it to 1 to one to place dirt, set it to 2 to place dirt with grass, which if we go up we can see that it's dirt with grass, and set it to 3 to place wood. It's so laggy. I don't know why. It's normally much smoother. Should probably put it in chat. For some reason I'm not logged in. And yeah, if you save, this map actually will save. And you can share it, I guess. So yeah, I don't know why it's so slow right now. So it should be able, I should be able to do time in I don't remember. Time in somewhere. Not in solver. Well, doesn't really matter. Anyway. See, this was quite fun to do because I watched a video of somebody making Minecraft in Desmos, and I was like, I can do better. And well, I did. I guess. I mean, I did spend quite a bit on it. A bit more than I was going to. And by the way, Zig codebase. Yes, I was looking at that right now. Also, I was training a transformer on Tiny Shakespeare, and we're dropping frames again. No. So I trained a transformer on Tiny Shakespeare's dataset, and it kind of worked. It's also surprising. Anyway, so before we start, I just wanna check out how Zig handles C compilation and C interoperability. Zig C interop. Zig interoperability with C, how to call C code from Zig, strategies to import C header files, etc. Zig translate C. Oh, so that's what translate is for. Using C import to also translate stuff. C.f open, C.f close, whatever. Have heard of AIR? I mean, I don't actually know what AIR is, and by judging by the amount of files, AIR is actually simple. Arg add save. Wrapping the safety panic. It's like this looks simple to me. Subs, shifts, so many instructions, call, absolute floor. It's like instructions, absolute floor, sail. Well, zig, I guess. Try. Well, I guess this actually this does actually describe the whole thing. It's like if you watch the data-oriented design. Why am I watching so many like lectures or what do you call it? So many talks lately. In the compiler. I have mentioned it on stream definitely before. This I'm pretty sure. How do I get it? Okay. See, if we watch that, they were mentioning that they store tags separately, and well, I guess this is a tag. The instruction. Oh, well, it is the tag because it's called tag, I guess. Somehow I missed it. This instruction has tag and data. I wonder what data is. Where's data? Is it like... Oh, it's a union. Binary operator. Well, that's actually useful. Infer the log comp time and stuff. Comp time. Scripts stack exchange. Generic name for R1CS versus AIR. Zero knowledge cryptography nomenclature. We have multiple references of arbitrary computation. Stable submissions for various proof. Oh my god, I don't understand a single word in the sentence. It's even a single sentence. Two examples come to mind. Rank 1 constraint system and algebraic immediate representation AIR. Oh. Algebraic immediate representation. Well, I heard of an algebraic type system and algebraic effect system, I guess. But I'm pretty sure AIR in Zig is not algebraic effect system. Zig AIR. Am I? I am, and I don't know why. I feel like it's network. I think it's a network issue, AIR compiler. ZIR AIR. What does AIR look like? Oh, so it's SSA with instructions, and that's incredibly simple to do. So that is what the second to last iteration of Oracle was supposed to look like. I'm gonna tell you that. For is return. What? Return returns something? That's interesting. Say instruction, etc. What does AIR stand for? ZIR, I guess, is ZIR. Sema is responsible for taking the ZIR output from the AST gen stage and producing AIR, which stands for Analyzed Intermediate Representation. Okay, this is what I meant. Yeah. So Analyzed Intermediate Representation, not just whatever. And by the way, I checked out on Compiler Explorer. If you, well, here is some code. I can read the comments, so it's easier to read. Keep no mangle and this. Well, I just want it up here. So if you pass the z and pretty equals HIR, then it's gonna show you, well, basically the same code, but this is a HIR in Rust, which is high level intermediate representation. Well, it is right now it's basically converted to back to Rust code, but if we add the HAR3, it's literally well, it's literally a debug print of Rust's HAR here. I'm pretty sure that's what happens. That's what's happening. Because this does really look like a debug print of HAR. And I actually have tried to inspect it. It is Rust to JSON. It's not JSON, it's RON. It's Rust of object notation, Rusty object notation. So it's Rust to RON. So yeah, I have inspected this a little bit, and it is a lot of stuff, and it is kind of hard to understand. But if we take a look here, owner, I don't know why it's called owners, I have no idea, but we can see a node, which is an item, which has an identifier square. That's how our function is called. Then kind function, signature provided, declaration, whatever. We have our path, app example, etc. We have our output, which is return type int i32, which is, interestingly enough, it's a path. int32 is a path for whatever reason. See variadic. Literally just a separate attribute for this. I mean, makes sense. Then we have generics, which are there are none. Then we have parents. I don't know what it is. Parents, a tree. This really feels like a tree that I would like generate on my Olympiads, because it contains 4 billion. I assume this is 4 billion. I assume this is a 32-bit. Oops. Being equals. No, it's not even 32-bit limit, but it does look like it. I have no idea what it is. Anyway, we've got a body here, and the body has parameters, which I'm pretty sure are function parameters. Then comes value. Also there was. So yeah, value of a body, which is an expression, which is a block, which has no statements because this is a tail return or tail expression, and then it has an expression, which will has HRID, which is a binary multiplication. Then we have expression on the left, which is a path, which is a path to a local variable, as we can see here. Segments, path segment, identifier num, resolution, or whatever. Then we have another one, which is the same thing basically. And then it ends, and well, then it ends. If I put return here and waited for it to regenerate, this should look like, now we can see, oh wait, if I do HAR3, if I do just HAR, well yeah, it's the same thing. Now here we can see the parents array, which I don't know why, to be honest. So if we take a look at body now, we have a block which actually has statements, and now one statement is a kind of semicolon. What? Whatever. It's I guess it's an expression with a semicolon at the end, which has a return statement in it. Then the return statement, I guess this is a value. Yes, it's a value, which is a binary, etc., etc. So HAR is surprisingly parsable. Then after so how Rust compiler works, it parses all of this into an AST. Then on AST stage, I'm pretty sure it's like macros, expanded, conditional compilation, etc. Then this AST is converted to HAR, which is what we're seeing here. Then comes a lot of other ARs, mainly THAR, which is even more dissugared HAR. Then MIR, and on MIR we do borrow checking. So on HAR type checking is performed, borrow checking is performed on MIR, which is an important detail. So keep that in mind. Also, my laptop is rotated, which is a little bit annoying, but there's a reason. which is for my mouse I only have like 10 centimeters, so if I have my hand like this, it doesn't really fit between my laptop and other stuff that's on the table. So I don't really have much space. So this is the left side, this is the right side. I mean, anyway. Linux has a grammar file for LLVM MIR YAML. What? I'm pretty sure we can do unpretty equals MIR or something and we'll see MIR. Well, yes, and it is showing basically in Rust form. If I do MIR3, it's probably gonna be Rusty. Okay, MIR3 is not a thing, apparently. So yeah, MIR is already basic blocks. Well, this makes sense, I guess. Because, well, MIR has a representation, unlike HIR, which doesn't, I guess. So yeah. I would like to see first how Zig converts to C. Well, I mean how Zig compiles C. Type value ZCU, clang, libcxx, libtsen, print environment, print air. Did you see the bird? I'm pretty sure you saw the bird. Because I think it said there, right here. Well, you should have saw it. Anyway, target Tracy. What? Translate C. So this is what we looked at. WASI-libc, zig, VM stuff, compilation, config. Okay. Well, Zig compiler source tree is actually pretty simple. Oh, and by the way, AIR, but types resolved not as much. So I actually like Zig's source tree. It's nice. Zig is nice, but it's a lot of unnecessary code, I think. But this makes it the best code. When I'm writing Zig, I can tell that I'm writing it in the best way possible. Like, the language doesn't leave me a worse way, but it is worthy. It is really worthy. ZCU. Compilation, liveness. Maybe we should actually switch from Rust to Zig for, you know, cause it's nice. I still can't find the C part. Okay, so this is link. Oh, c.zig. C architectures here. Base, etc. So I wanna see. Hold on, I wanna see the main Zig or whatever. Main. It's here. No. Oh, there's dev.zig. I wonder what this is. So normal usage, arguments, etc. I wanna see the CC. Mem equal command. Okay, so let's look for this to be CC. Dev.check cc.command build output type GPA cc build output type. Okay, we have the cc here, arg mode cc. A lot of variables. Can scroll, huh? Create module. I can't scroll properly. It's annoying. Okay, switch arg mode. If we find cc here, they just oh wow, that's a lot of ifs. That's a long file, you know. That's a long file. I guess it's parsing options, but it's like how much? We're not even halfway through. 7,000 lines of code in one file. I mean, to be honest, I'm not even against it. I kinda like it. I don't know if I could have said that for a different 7k lines file, but I kind of like this one. Okay, so where's .cc? .cc.cpp. Okay, dev check. Emit.h, cout mode. While it, what is it? Clang argument iterator. It's the IR equivalent. Huh? Oh wait, it's the equivalent. Target.to, etc. Okay, so let's imagine we went through all of this and hold on. Let's imagine we went through all of this. Well, that's a lot of arguments. There's a whole bunch of arguments. Parse linker args, for some reason I can't select. Dynamic iterator. A whole bunch of other arguments. Weak library, hash style. Parse preprocessor arguments. Precompiled header syntax. Preprocessor. Translate.c. Okay, so apparently it ended somewhere here. Switch cout mode, okay. Link object. Create module. Options output mode. Preprocessor. Create module C source files items length. Okay. So I mean, I think I found what I needed, I guess. I'm still not sure how they handle it, to be honest. But anyway, let's get back to our thing, and it is in Orco if I remember correctly. I mean, I do remember correctly. So it is in here. But file descriptor, huh? So see Orco dash rust, and now tmax here. And now we can open Helix. Right in here, main rs, as you can see nothing changed, but if I actually open Discord again, and as we can see, this is my server. Stream alerts, I know. So this one. So Rust C tools. We're just gonna take a look at how to get started here. So we're not gonna be using it, I think. So let me do a Rust toolchain file. Rust toolchain toml and Rust toolchain list. So we're gonna do this one. Chain toml file. We could actually look it up here. It's not on toml, huh? Hey, I can't. What? Huh? What? I can't click on the things. I can't click on the tabs, huh? I can only do Control Tab. What? Okay, so toolchain. What? It doesn't handle my clicks properly. I have to use keys, I guess. Okay, so nightly. Let's do 2025 02 17. Now, I still don't know why LSP fails. It's gonna sync this for some reason. Cause I don't know why they're not different. This should be the same. Come on. We're downloading components right now, and network frames again. Sadly, my internet is not the best. Dropping many frames now. And that's all due to network. Okay, hold. Should be fine now. I still don't know why it doesn't, why it helps. I don't understand. Anyway, we're downloading components rustdev. Now, actually, get to the point. And also I can close the victory. Ah, even mid-click doesn't work. I'm just gonna shortcut it all. AST, no, actually HAR, we need HAR. Come on, load. Ah, I'm dropping frames again, why? Oh no, let me check. Should be fine. I don't know why it's not. Come on, please get better. Did it hear me? Still component. Okay, so HIR. You know what? Maybe we should actually do Rusty tools. So I'm gonna do Rust tool chain. Oh, look, left. I thought it worked. No, it didn't. Oh, and by the way, oh, language servers like that. Rust toolchain. We're gonna have to download other stuff, but first cargo add Rust C tools. I was gonna sync channels again, sadly, but sure, I guess. Why am I running out of disk space, huh? I mean, I guess because I'm downloading Rust toolchains. But like, pretty sure that's my home partition, by the way. If we do disk free, because I have split home partition separately, moved it separately, because I was running out of space on there. Let me actually do an HOS clean. Oh wait, it's clean all. And NH is a Nix wrapper. Oh wow, I have a lot of system rebuilds here to remove, which is interesting. Back from 13, huh? Wonder why. Anyway, we're almost done with downloading components. I'm pretty. Oh, actually no, we're not even close. Hold on, we're not even close. Sorry. And hopefully we're not gonna be You have SSD, that's why you're able to stream relatively okay on 8 gigs of RAM. It's not 8 gigs of RAM. I have 500 gigs NVMe SSD, which I guess I should be happy with it. And I am kinda happy with it. I'm not happy with NixOS eating all my disk space. It's not like NixOS, it's actually applications for whatever reason. Home partition is dead. Okay, so yeah. For some reason I'm constantly running out of space. And SSD is pretty fast. And again, last page. If we take a look at, we're downloading Rusty by the way. If we take a look at it, yeah, running out of space again. Fuse block, what? So I'm running out of space on D. That's interesting. So yeah, I have 5.74 gigs. Hold on. Okay. I'm dropping frames again, why? Come on. Network. What's wrong with you today? Should I restart my router? Maybe I should actually, but stream's not gonna survive that for sure. Can I do bitop? Where's network? Here's network activity. Upload 7 megabits per second, download 5 megabits per second, 15 now. And we're dropping frames again. So 16 is good, I'm pretty sure. Well, 10. Now it went down to 3, but it's still no dropped frames due to network, which is interesting. Yeah, I guess. Okay, let's just hope it works. Let's just hope we're not gonna. Oops. We're gonna. I'll lose internet again. Okay, hold on. Okay. Come on, network. Like, I can't even do anything about it. It's just bad. And it wasn't that bad for a long while. And I am running out of home partition disk. I am running out of home partition disk space fast. Because we're installing components. I need to do something about it. Okay, if we do DFSH again, here I have 27 gigs, which is pretty good. 60 is used, and on my home I have 27 used. du-h-du1 home. Hope I won't show way too much here. What? Maybe I could do rm-rf home/cache all together. It will for sure free a lot of space, but it might... Oh. Oh. We've survived. Well, stuff did break, but... Okay, stuff did break. Can you see me? Oh wait, I just pressed no lock. So yeah, we dropped just a few frames when doing this, but at least we have this space back. And yeah, I think I did remove the toolchain we were just downloading. Somehow stream didn't die. Let's see what's here. I hope it's all fine that I'm showing it. Brave software crash. Can I do du on cache? Okay, it's good. Du on home. 2.4 gigs on config, sure. I think there was like, I think I should free some in cargo. Local also. Well, it's just 1 gig. VS Code. Excuse me! 500 megabytes for VS Code! I'm pretty sure that's just like binaries for some stuff. Platform IO is also 2.8 gigs. Well, that's 2 chains mainly. Downloads 200 megs. 300 megs for cargo. Some dot files. Rust up 6.3 gigs. 6.3 gigs for Rust up. Okay, hold on. Let me just do that. Also, I think I'm gonna remove cargo altogether, and I should probably investigate local. Oh, llama is also 3 gigs. Well, that's not that much actually. And yes, I am, since I am doing a bit of dare I say research on language models, I guess I can, I mean, that's why I have it. And I also sometimes use it to ask stupid questions like, why is Diode taking away, why is Diode eating like 24 milliamps of current? Which is weird, just stupid. And hold on, I should actually check what I have in my local share on u-h -g1 local. It's all in share. So yeah, a lot of stuff, a lot of apps. I don't think I'm gonna be investigating this on stream. Anyway, quit df-h. So we should have now enough to 15 gigs. Yes, that should be enough. Hold on, actually, from the share of home.cargo slash so I have bean. I am keeping bean registry. So I'm gonna remove registry altogether. I'm gonna keep config. Then I'm gonna cargo. What? Cargo address tools again. It's gonna sync components, and I hope next test is fine. I hope I didn't remove it again. So yeah, we're gonna have to download components again. Also, I can actually check cargo bin. So we have ASMLSP, which is just a dynamically linked executable. Cargo next test, also same thing. So yeah, it is all here, so it should be fine. And yeah, ASMLSP I have for mainly for Satan, which is I have it in Helix enabled. So yeah, a language server. I mean. Okay, so features, stay private, whatever. I'm pretty sure I do need this feature, but I don't need create uses, since I have this create, which is Rusty tools. So it allows us to okay, so yeah, distractions. So yeah, we're downloading components still. This allows us, this library allows us to get HIR easily without cargo integration. I'm pretty sure. There's actually a note. It's great while also using its cargo integration, also how to create your own links without this specific subject to the create, but without cargo integration. That's what we need. And now we need HIR, so we can get either AST or HIR. In our case, I wanna try with HIR because, well, HIR has a lot of useful stuff, and if we're gonna have to use AST, then why not just use SYN then, or some other Rust parser? So yeah, HIR would simplify stuff a lot, because it's already we have type checking. We are able to type check. I don't really know how to do. So 6 creates, yeah, context, type context. With type context, the available creates tcx dot. Oh wait, LSP is not gonna work because LSP isn't even here right now. We're gonna wait for it to load, and also I need to cargo add Rust LSP. So Rust Analyzer, it's called Rust Analyzer. Wait, what am I saying? Cargo it. Rust app component add whatever. So we're installing components, just a little bit left, and disk space 13.5 gigs should be fine. Just give me frames again. Hate it. I hate it. So yeah, Rusty Dev and Rust FMTs. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the last one. Come on. Come on. Come on. Rust FMT, yeah. And it should be done. Cargo binary normally provided by cargo component. Oh no, is not applicable to the nightly toolchain. What? Cargo. What? Toolchain. I'm pretty sure it should get the toolchain. Cargo and Rust Analyzer. Component is up to date, huh? Okay, so I have messed it up somehow. Hold on. What? Cargo bin should contain cargo. Well, it doesn't. Cargo is not available. How do I make it? Just analyzer. I guess it's gonna say the same thing. Well, I think no. No. What can we do about this? More fighting of the Rust toolchain. Yay. Stop show. Oops. Uninstalling, reinstalling. I don't really want to do that. Let me stop. So Rust Analyzer apparently worked, but Cargo doesn't. Okay, let's sure is it, and it is it's loading. Why is Cargo broken? And how do I fix it? Cargo plus nightly. Next test run. Toolchain install nightly. Okay, hold on. Okay, let's see. See, that's a nightly toolchain, the one I use normally. And yes, I am using nightly compiler normally. Remove and re-add, it suggests component remove cargo. Component cargo was not found, and now redownloading it might fix it actually. Take a look at this. I don't know. It was broken for whatever reason. Failed to load workspace. Oh my god. Speed restart again. For whatever reason. Maybe it's dependent on cargo. Huh? Installing component cargo installed. It's now cargo next test run, and obviously we don't have any tests here. Failed to parse manifest. Feature edition 2024 is required. Oops. Cargo build. No, what? Considering cargo features to top of cargo toggle above. What? Edition 2024, huh? Workspace. Oh, that's because it's workspace. I don't know. Okay, it's not this cargo tomo. It's not this. But it still might be because of workspace. And I should have guessed that it's the wrong cargo tomo. Now, are you gonna? Okay, does kind of work. Cargo add rust C tools. Completing index, adding this cargo next test run. Obviously, it's not gonna work. But sure. So this installed. Can I? Okay. Can I actually move this? How to turn it? It's not what I wanted to do. Tmax switch vertical horizontal. Space. Okay, this is what? useful. Okay, so could not compile it. Linking with CC failed. Unable to find library LLVM stuff. Okay. It should be Rust toolchain. I'm not sure why, to be honest. So you need dash LLVM for sure, and it's not gonna be able to find. Um. Dash LLVM. Yes, that's Google like this. Rust unable to find dash LLVM, and I need to quote this cause dash in front. Able to find LLVM tools. Okay, so that's not helpful. Unable to find a dash LLVM. What if I just cargo run it? So why does it need LLVM? Well, maybe this works actually. Oh, okay, we'll know soon. No, this doesn't. And the same error. Okay, so apparently Rust can't link with LLVM for some reason. I don't know why. Nightly. So rebuild is nightly. Edition has been stabilized in the 1.85 release. No longer necessary to be listed in manifest. Okay, so it's I mean, we can't even tell because the script doesn't work with the latest nightly, and it doesn't compile on this nightly. Why? Why is it also complicated? And why is it also hard? I wish I could just like add git equals rustc or whatever. Okay, I guess let's stop using this library now. I can't click again. So it is a fair bit of work to get there. Early diagnostic context. Arg expand all options. Config. So interface run compilers. This is I'm pretty sure from librs. Okay, no. But I'm pretty sure this is from this library. Oh, it's use rustc interface. Create config. So here's create config. Do we really need a config? Yes, that's a lot of stuff, you know. I am considering switching back to Syn because dealing with all of this is, well, a lot of work, you know. Okay. So either we not deal with it, but we have to implement our own type inference. On the other hand, type checking, well, on the other hand, borrow checking, we'll still have to implement this ourselves. creates HAR. I wish I could get HAR easier. Midden HAR types. Pretty sure that's not what I need. Work in progress. It wasn't updated. Cargo make, whatever. So what's Midden? The Midden compiler. Just at which target Midden assembly. What? I'm compiling to WASM. Used by another compiler. Okay, so that's not what I need. Midden C, etc. Reject syntax. Solar HAR. I'm pretty sure that's another language. Currently being reserved to private name configs. Huh. Stream quality very bad. Still picture. Okay, again. Frames. I'm literally dropping frames. Why? Now it should be better. Why? One keyframes now. Should be fine now. Refreshed better now. I was dropping frames. Okay, so I don't know. I guess we'll go with scene then, because dealing with it is a lot of work. Back to terrible latency. Oh no. Should I kill OBS again? Should I? Hopefully this would resolve all problems, probably no. And... oh, never mind, I have to wait for 50 seconds for you to respond. Well... please come back. I'm back. They refresh the page. And is YouTube still alive? Because I'm pretty sure YouTube will not survive, would not survive that. Oh wow, that's a long time ago. I don't think I should watch my own stream right here. Okay. So yeah, we're here. So going with scene would be easy enough. Nigel, refresh the page, please. So yeah, scene is easy to use. Easy to use, but we'll have to do HAR ourselves and whatever else. So I guess yeah. Scene. Maybe we'll do that instead. So yeah, I think we'll do that instead right now. It will be faster to start at least. This cargo tunnel. Oops, we're gonna get rid of this. We're gonna get rid of that. We're gonna get rid of all of that. Main fn main. No. Now. So scene. Parsing custom syntax. Username or whatever. Come on, pick a more creative name. Listed example directory shows an implementation function like procedure macro, which needs since parsing API. Come on, pick a more creative name. Custom warnings and error messages and macro input. Oh, what's thingy? Okay. So let's see. Scene. LSP restart. It's not working. Rust up component add Rust analyzer. Should add Rust analyzer to our current one and dropping frames again. Oh no. Please stop. Is it when I download stuff? Does it dropped again because we're installing? Should be fine again. I live question mark. Actually, I should have typed it on my laptop. It would be easier. Anyway, LSP restart, and let's actually get some work done. Let's actually try to create a Rust compiler from scratch. Let's let it parse. Here we can see a little thingy. We'll let it parse the files and stuff. It's done now. It should show me, yeah, file. Scene. Oh, it's in parse string. Need to parse file. And yes, I wish I could use Rust parser. By the way, there are AST crates. Rust AST. So yes, there's Rust AP, which has not been updated for 3 years. Drum AP, which has not been updated for 3 months. Fast Rust CAP, which has not been updated for 5 years. So Drum is later. We take a look at this. I can't stuff. I can't click on stuff. Why? It's like highlighted, but I can't click on it. Fastest CAP. Can I sort it by recent updates? Pylizer, yeah, green leaf tile. 5 RUAST, that's what I sent in Discord. And I'm pretty sure I went through the second page and ended somewhere here with rusty tools. And yeah, here we have Jomi AP 3-seater Rust grammar. And I'm pretty sure that's it. There are a lot of Python parsers apparently. So printable and modifiable Rust AST, but I'm pretty sure this doesn't provide the parser for it. Sadly. Convert to? I wish I could convert from. So reasons why not to use scene. Are, well, error messages and just not using Rust in general. So SRC, pretty sure it's not gonna let me parse stuff. Tokenize, maybe. That's to token stream. I need from token stream. Conversion. That's not much. That's not that much code. I'm almost sure it's not all of it. Anyway, I guess then just go with scene. Or we could try one of APs. I don't know. Publishing script lives at here. Version 1.83. See, we could try this, and I can't even. What's wrong with my browser? I clicked on this. Now I have to. Hotkey day, I guess. Docs.rs. Fortunately, I know hotkeys. Builds. Apparently, this thing doesn't build. 1.83. Well, I guess let's try to add it at least. And do this again. Just in case. Cargo add. Well, we could actually depend on GitHub one. Start. So let's see if it catches up. Come on, LSP. LSP. Language server. So, come on. Why is it taking so long? Filter on some scripts. You know, it's done. Rust. Whatever. Rust CAST. Is there parse? Okay, let's do cargo tomo. Wait. Crates. What am I saying? Jomi dash AP. So there's Rust C Arena, Rust C ABI, Rust C AST, AR, AST Pretty, and other stuff. You're kidding me! Stop, chipures! Get out! Back in the ECU, yeah, let's just use scene. Cargo, Toml, we can always try to figure out You can always try to figure it out with, I don't know, Rusty. Say a scene parse. So what can it parse? It can parse strings. And returns a result, which is a scene result, which has an error. Hopefully this error is actually helpful. Oh, an error contains a vector of error messages, not just one error message. Span is implemented. Okay, that's interesting. Well, that is interesting. Okay, so let's just do. What is it? Csarg. It's not Cs. Arg or Cs. How do I get args? Well, I can just do clap, cargo add, clap, features derive, clap derive. To be honest, actually, no. Hopefully we'll get to actually doing stuff today. Okay, so let file. Let's start with a file. Edit samples / simple rs. That's mainly main. Print ln hello world. Oh yeah, and we'll have to do macros as well. wping equals samples / simple rs. Now for not for yes, read to string file unwrap scene parse token stream etc. parse str sort of Tinder. Let's just get the stream. Let's just get it get the ball rolling. Let's speedrun it. What am I saying? And who am I talking to? Pretty sure I don't have a single viewer. Just to check. Well, I can only say I'm talking to people on YouTube who's gonna watch the VOD at some point. It says 0. No, it says 2. Well, I guess I'm not talking to myself then. At least I have an excuse. Okay, let me just close all of that. Yeah, all of that and this as well. Oh, you're here. Why didn't you answer to a question, am I live then? Orco speedrun, exactly. Well, Rust compiler speedrun. We'll make it Orco afterwards. So yeah, scene parse let file equals scene parse tr of type scene file. It's not it. So why didn't you answer to my question, am I live? I was afraid I'm not. Scene create so you. Oh my god, create scene. So let's see which type scene file. Date structures. Tree is rooted at scene file, huh? Test. Latency test. Shebang, etc. Scene does have a file. What? If you import file, place with turbofish. What? There is scene file, huh? But it's not there. 6 seconds delay. Okay, that's good. File. Config feature full. Okay, cargo add scene features full. Now that should be better. Clone implementations derive full parsing, printing, proc macro. Do we need extra traits? I wonder what extra traits does. Actually, I want to see feature flags. Extra traits, which are additional features, fold, full test, huh? Anyway, LSP is still doing stuff. Okay, so now we have a file. The file has a shebang, possibly, and by the way, shebang is this does mean that shebang is supported. We have attributes, which are, I guess, file attributes. So let's not worry about that for now. Let's actually add crane lift. And yes, crane lift already. I'm not joking about the speedrun part. Crane lift. Am I? So we're literally gonna add crane lift to it. So this is, I'm pretty sure this is not enough. Cogent frontend prelude. I say, okay, let's just add it. Cargo add crane lift. Yeah, that's that. Now ISA instruction set architecture. So let's just do a mod CL pub use crane lift prelude asterisk. Now for them in file items file dot, okay, what do we have here? Oh wait, unwrap. For now, items TTOPS try, huh? It's actually not showing me anything. I can't click on stuff. Items. LSP is dead again. Okay, so item is well, it's an item. 16 variants. Only focus on functions for now. FN item FN. Match item. Scene item. Function. Let's do a hash, and I'm pretty sure I need this. Non-exhaustive patterns. Okay, so Rust Analyzer is like pretty bad at its job right now. LSP restart. Let's try again. Well, it's getting up to speed. And by the way, interestingly enough, we have warnings, which I think is called code lengths. So warnings, errors, and all those highlights are, I'm pretty sure those are code lengths, but Rust Analyzer wasn't loaded back then. Now now it works. Okay. So FN. What do we have here? Attributes, visibility, signature, block. Okay, so let's do. Okay, so we'll already need to do stuff. We'll already need. I just can't talk. We'll already need to do stuff. Ever came across Rust as not JSON error message? No. What is it? What is it? I wonder what it is now. It's like let x equals struct, and here you do text abc. This? Oh, no, I guess. I wonder what it is, why it is, why it exists. We'll have time to put in funnier messages. So function convert signature. So we're gonna take scene. Well, we'll need. Okay, so hold on. Crane lift. It's too early for crane lift actually. Let's make our own HIR. Public mode HIR. Hold on, no. Of HAR. Yes. Src slash. Come on, LSP! You're kidding me. EHAR modder S. I'm gonna be quicker. HIR. So we're gonna have an HAR. Just gonna have so let's rust HAR. I need the docs here. So if we go to the documentation, and oh my god, I still can't click on stuff. There's CHAR, so there's HAR module. Where's the HAR struct? I need the HAR struct or something like that. Or is it actually the context struct? It's probably the context struct. Top level data structure is great actually. Apparently. So we're still having an AST style thingy. And yes, indeed. Okay, so yeah, we'll have HAR for now. So we'll have functions, be vector of function. What do we do with this actually? Hold on, let me think. Let me think. We're not gonna expand generics on this level. But we are gonna type check and do borrow checking and other stuff. So yeah, and type inference. So yeah, type inference is important. How do we do type inference? I don't even remember. So we need to do IDs and stuff. Struct function. Make it public. Oh, what? Struct. So yeah, each function is gonna have a name identifier, doesn't really matter. Span, we'll do need span, but I think actually, so let's do u size. So we'll need IDs, something like this. Hash map to of node ID to span. But okay, so let's leave spans for later. Actually, so we do hash map of function IDs to functions. Why not vectors actually? So yeah, why not vectors? Pdebug partial eq partial ord hash. So why not vectors? This file is not included. Huh? Why not vectors again? Because it's HAR modder as MB HAR to src slash. So with vectors, without vectors, it's gonna be easier to do hot reload. Well, not hot reload. Hold on. So dynamic modifications, let's just say. Anyway, file found for module HAR. Why it's HAR.rs? It's not HAR.rs. HAR. It's src/HAR/modrs. Why are you complaining? I have to do this again. HAR. Tracked. Oh, I did space G, which is I guess git. Okay, now hash map. Green lift. Okay. Why can't I see hash map? Okay, so we'll need to do functions, blocks of code. Cool. Do we actually store it like that? And what's the point? What would be the best way to store it? I guess HAR could be in instruction form like zig. Would be. I should think about what would. Oh my god, what would be easier? The easiest. Can't find derive macro for partial Q. Oh, it's parital Q. Here, that's better. Now, let's actually import hash map. Now, HAR and add function. It's gonna return function ID. It's gonna take mutable self. Or should it be mutable and to no parallelization right now. So we're gonna generate a new function ID, I guess. Next function ID. And let's generate new. It's gonna be empty. Function ID of 0. Functions. Map new. Now add functions gonna be. It's gonna be public. Or should we say create function? It's gonna return function ID. So what do we do here? So functions are gonna store. It's JSON is not Rust. It's JSON is not Rust. Can't find an example. Huh. We've got it once. Interesting. JSON is not Rust. I wonder if we can do it. Last attempt. JSON is not Rust. ID diagnostics handlers. Ha. Interesting. So for creating a definition for a struct definition from JSON. And assist for creating a struct definitions from JSON example. What? Build struct. It's like an actual compiler. 30. Diagnostic JSON is not Rust. Is Rust? I don't know. Can I do like? Well, it's not gonna let me do this. No. I have no idea when it could be. Anyway, I guess. Okay, so let's do functions. Should I do just a list or should I do an arc? No, I shouldn't. So we have symbols, we have functions. Okay, let me think. A weird edge case where the diagnostic seal shows up. Okay, let me think. So, how do we start type inference on HIR? So we need type variables. We need functions. Inside of functions, we need variables, and these variables must be inferred and stuff. Let me think. Hmm. Um, uh, okay, I'm stopped. Create struct option index vector. So they're using an index vector. Indexed by I rather than use size. Do we have index vector in like grades.io? Simplified copy of Rust's internal crate. New type index. New type index. Documentation. And we have an index vector which has an index and type. Raw. Push pop. Land, rain, etc. Okay, guess let's do just vector. For now. So vector functions, each function is gonna have a body, block ID. Okay, so functions spec new self functions len function ID. Function ID. Okay, so now create function, self function, to end function, self functions, push function, and then let's do public function, get function, self function, oh, ID. Why am I even doing this? T returns function. Oh, and I need to get me. Okay, so why am I actually doing this? Why? I don't even know. I don't even know. This indexed vector actually would be not that bad here. Now, do we really need that? Do we really need that? We do, maybe? Maybe we don't. So I need a list of functions, each of them has a block. So I do need a separate list of blocks. And instead of storing them like that, guess cargo add Index vec. I haven't actually checked how good this crate is. Almost 3 years ago. 6 months ago. This one looks more appealing. Box index. Let's check. Crate. Fortunately, it does not compile stable. And handy slot map or slab to be closer to what you want. Handy. Handy. That's a nice name. Handles and handle maps. There's slot map and slab. It's a pain bang mo. Oh wait, that's I. Oh, it's just a dot on my screen. In my opinion. Okay, so let's check this out, I guess. So there's handle map, insert, it's gonna give a handle, remove, it's gonna... Okay, so this looks good. So let's do handy instead. Handy. So handle map. So functions being public now. And it's gonna be, so we're gonna use handy handle. Wait, hold on. Actually, typed handle map. Insert. Is there insert? Well, obviously there is insert. But where is it? I just saw it. So, reference me itself. It's typed handle T. Okay, that's not really what I want, but I guess as another solution. Slot map or slab. Creates IO. Slot map. Data structure. How does this look? Space from bar used. The deletion keys. Stays invalid. Secondary map. Slot map, secondary map. Okay, that's interesting. But I think I'm gonna use handy and the handy typed thingy. Okay, LSP is dead again, apparently. Typed handle map. So typed handle map. Rust sees Rust analyzer is like dying for whatever reason, and often. It's gonna be typed handle map. Let's do public type function handle equals typed handle typed handle map to function typed handle map handle. Okay, this function is gonna be typed handle map u. There's insertion stuff here now. Actually, let's do derive default, and in u I'm gonna do self default. self default. Now this is gonna be bodies of a body. That's just how Rust has it, I'm pretty sure. So there's create, and let me do this. I wish I could reorder them. I mean, I can like that. That's annoying. Now this thing has methods. This thing doesn't have methods. Okay, so HAR, there's type context. See, context. So is there either context or CTX? Huh. HAR ID, an owner and a local ID, a body identifiers an HAR body in the current state. It's currently only a wrapper around HAR ID. Okay, so yeah, it's using bodies. So there's gonna be body. Oops. Body, just like in Rust compiler. Let's do body handle, and we are gonna document all of this. Body. So body is not gonna have that. Function's gonna have a body handle. Public. Oh no. I guess that's for now. To have pub ident. Now we do kinda need an internal. Does this thing has an internal? I'm pretty sure create won't contain an internal. What's the context struct? Share hash. Huh. There should be a context struct. Oh, here it is. The HAR map. Type context. CTXT. Well, just in a different space. It's in Rusty middle. So typed context is the main thing, and HAR map is well, the map. We are interested in methods. Expect. So yeah, we have all of this. Item is, I wonder what it is, and oh my god, my cursor stopped moving. Ident. Wait, it's copy. It copies that. Should I intern it? Or should I do path? I probably should do path here. Scene, and I might actually use scene path here. Well, at least for now. Or just do path as a vector of segments, maybe. So we okay, let's think. We do need an interner, but we also need a spans, and so yeah. So I guess we do need an ident type. So it's HAR on top, and let's do stuff on the bottom, which is a bad practice, but sure. Span, scene, span. Now I for sure can do span here. Span has a span, and the span is what? Proc macro 2 span. Can I do scene proc? Okay, no, I do need a cargo add proc mac macro 2. Span. And so we're gonna have let me see the ident symbol index. Okay, we'll need a string interner. Create. Oh my god. Interner. String pass and buffer internment create with no dependencies. Interned. Generic intern which can intern practically any type, including strings, slices, and primitives, plus memoization via memoized. I still can't like. Why is it not memorization and memorized? But sure, I think we're gonna use this one for now at least, because a global poll. Should we do global poll or should we do local string poll? Other copy pointer equals. I wonder what it gives. Let's just do string poll, or should we do the other internet library? Because we might at some point need an interner for whatever other types. Turn borrow str. Well, we do need a string interner. So let's do this one. Cargo add interner. So create has a set whatever. So we have this. Turn shared string poll. Okay, let's see the docs. Pooled. shared poll. Of type, hold on, we need a string poll. Which is a shared poll, basically. So get borrow self immutably, which is interesting, but sure. So here is gonna have pub interner, which is gonna be shared string pool. What's a shared string? Pooled. I have no idea how this was supposed to work. Why can't you just return like a borrowed string? Well, actually, I know why. Cool. Shared buffer pointer equal, huh? Anyway. So shared poll interner shared LSP restart. LSP died again. Internal shared string poll. String poll. Okay, hold on, actually. Hold on for a second. Poll. You know what? Maybe we don't even need it. Interner. Instead, I'm gonna use typed thingy, because why not? So Rust's ident uses I have to do this again. A symbol gonna be typed handle to a string, and we're gonna do typed handle map of string. Well, I still don't really like the solution, so let's search for more, I guess. Interner, and I do need a string interner specifically. Intern string, concurrent string turning for general purpose stuff. By the way, typed handle map, insertion. Where is insert? Takes mutable self. So next back. So we can parallelize it in the future, I guess. Maybe I'm thinking too much. Maybe I'm overthinking it again. Okay, so other crates, lot of maps, lab. Oops, not lab. We will need iteration, but I mean, I think we'll need a middle ground. Or actually, we could maybe do with the previous one, but I'm worried about mutability, and I think it is mutable. Must be mutable. Yes, must be mutable. Any immutable version of this? Slab pre-allocated storage for a uniform data type. Slab type. Slab of T. I want to see insert. And I see it's mutable again. And it's using new sizes. Okay, let's not bother about it now then. So we have intern string, intern trait. Oh, we do string dot intern. Oh my god, that's interesting. That is interesting. So we can just do dot intern and we'll get iString. That's interesting. That's very fast. Look free and wait free. It can be shared and read from any number of threads. Scales linearly with Nation strong 1 for high performance hash map. Really slower. Reading okay, yes. But I guess we could use this. I still think like interning Okay, you know what? Actually, yeah, sure. I string. Do we actually have? Let me think. Because how Rust displays stuff? I don't like display implementations. Well, I mean, I guess. Okay, I guess yeah. I guess let's do this. Cargo add intern string. It is just global, but sure. Mhm. So it's just string.intern. And why did we add 50 packages? Sure, I guess. Just C branch. So let's do symbol, which is iString. So one of the reasons why I wanted to be global is so that I can actually print it in debug implementations. Come on, LSP load, please. It's gonna take a bit again. Also 8 p.m. So we're gonna be ending soon again. I'll need to wake up early tomorrow. Okay, it loaded finally. Qualify, cause well actually, yeah, I guess qualify. No, is ident. Those are all public. So let's do name again. And let's do public struct pass. So since this is immutable, is there path? Item has an ident, it doesn't have a path. Well, we're gonna do differently. We're gonna do path. So back of ident for now is good enough. So let's do path public. Now, or actually, you know what? We could do a type alias. But I think I'm not gonna do that. So let's do derive clone. Can we do copy? I don't think we can do copy. Span. Boot span. Span is copyable. This is copyable. So actually, you know what? Sure. See, clone copy debug. You know, debug. We're gonna do debug manually. Partial EQ, partial ordered hash. Actually, no. We're gonna do debug. Actually, no. We're gonna do debug differently. First of all, second of all, this thing does not provide a queue. This thing does not provide equals. Sad. I guess we can do like manual implementation of this. So then, oh, this is not copyable. This is not clonable. Okay, that's like, that's no, that's like no. That's like no. I'm not using this. Interner. What's the most popular? BMCHR. For 3 by searching single substring search. Okay, we're not gonna be able to find an interner here. Lasso. Key. Turner rodeo. Turn string. String to key. Key to string. What's contention free? And this seems a little complex-ish. Rodeo getter and turn. Okay, this sounds familiar. Yeah, let's try that. So we're gonna do a global interner, not even in HIR. Because, yeah, derives. And you know what? Clone here. Copy debug, debug. Old partial Q partial order. Okay, let's not do that, but maps should be clonable and debuggable. We're gonna do other derives soonish. So yeah, interner. Let's do public interner. Or actually, let's do a private interner. Static interner, which is gonna be a rodeo. A threaded rodeo. Wait. Cargo add rodeo, no. Cargo add lasso. Features multi-threaded. And in the meantime, LSP restart. Let's hit an LSP restart, because why not? Threaded rhodium. Public function new. Okay, so it's not const, so I think we can't do the thing. Key spur. Okay, so let's do extract. Clone debug default, huh? So key must be key and hash. Key being trade key. So we're gonna do struct. We are gonna do struct public struct symbol. I was gonna take store a use size, actually use 32. Well, no, use size and impl lasso key for symbol to size self 0 from your size sum of self of int input unsafe trade. Used with the other. Well, it is safe. And I said that. Oops. This function life. Indeed. Yes, there is a plushie. By the way, useless game they've uploaded, which doesn't really matter, but sure. Okay, so let's actually move all of this out into an internal module. Threaded rodeo of symbol with lasso threaded rodeo new. I'm pretty sure this is not gonna work because it's not const. Derive clone copy debug default QQ partial ordered hash, but debug will be manual. Debug tuple.field. So yeah, we're gonna do this soonish. So internal is gonna be first, then impl stdfmt display for symbol as well. So yeah, cannot call non-const function. Pretty sure there is something in std like lock or string lazy lock. I don't like that rodeo is not easy to create, to be honest. So I think we're gonna go back to the first one or the second one. Lasso 2. No, we're gonna do intern, or which one of those? This one is more popular. Let's just do global poll, whatever. Cargo remove lasso, cargo add, and yes, I am jumping around like crazy. Just internal global poll of string. Have a global string. Copy is not defined for it. It's P. I hate when this happens. Why does this happen? So we have global poll or it pool. It's actually a pool. Why am I saying poll? Because I'm pretty sure it's a pool. It's called pool. Structs. Hey. Pooled. So yeah, global pool. Now get a string. Get static. Get static into count. Okay, so get returns a global string of s, where s being a random state. Okay. So yeah, sure. Global string. Oh, it is copyable. Pooled. Okay, yes, it is copyable. Maybe it's not copyable. Who knows? Okay, it's not copyable. And obviously default shouldn't be here. Sadly, it's not copyable. Why is it not copyable? should be copyable. I built for it to be copyable. I guess fine. I'll even remove this. Public use internal global string. So I'm gonna do this, and we're gonna have an internal. Then we're gonna have. Does the thing implement debug? Pull debug. Okay, don't like it. To be honest. Any other better options? Yes, again. We're gonna ever finish it. We're gonna ever get to it. So there's interned, there's internment, which is actually crazy popular, you know. It is actually crazy popular. Oh, and it's intern new, it's again global. Just an intern, which is, let's see, trait implementations as ref for as OS string path, clone, debug. I hope it's copyable. Okay, we can see here copy as ref of t. What? Oh, it's an intern t. Well, yeah, makes sense. Okay, actually, that's pretty good. Internment, turner, cargo, and this. Hopefully, this is the last time. Okay, so let's do. And yes, again. Public type. What was it? Symbol equals an internment intern of a string. I don't care that it's we're actually an str. We're actually well, I'm pretty sure it should work from string. Yeah, it does work from a string, from a known string. Okay, so this is gonna be a symbol. So yeah, we can't do hash. I'm not sure. Debug. Copy debug default. Display debug default. Okay, so let's do debugs and display. Partial q controller hash, because I want to compare them without ident. Oh, and this is not in the order I wanted to. Self name hash state. Or actually, I think I can do blanket implementations. So debug and display, except for debug and display. So display is gonna be self right into f format of self name, and this is gonna be name span. This is gonna be debug tuple field name span. It's still saying this. Oh, because LSP is still thinking. Okay, well, LSP is still thinking. Can I Oh, come on, LSP. Let's wait for it, I guess. It's 8:30. Kit loaded, actually, finally. Debug display, let's do impl std fmt, wait, partial q for ident. So we do, well, actually, you know what, I'm not gonna do that. Let's implement instead, let's do this for pass. So we're gonna derive clone this on this, and debug. No, debug, maybe I'm gonna implement it manually. Default, no. Partial QQ, partial ordered hash, okay. We do kinda need hash for it though. And equality and other stuff. So we do need equality, we do need other stuff. Default. Okay, let's do partial Q for ident. And we're not gonna compare spans. So we're gonna compare names. Name EQ other. Expected reference. Other name. Like that. Impl EQ for ident. Impl partial ord for ident. Self name partial compare other name. Wait, I think it's not like that. Reference. I think I only need to do ord here for ident, and I don't need partial ord. No. To hash for ident, and yes, I can. Hash self name hash state. Okay, now let's do the same for this, but now I can actually derive stuff. Partial QQ partial ordered hash, but debug I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do manually, because I'm gonna do debug tuple pass field so f debug, can I do debug array, debug list. Well, actually no, I'm gonna do I don't know, how does debug vector work? Play string org. I wish I had REPL right now, cause I actually have used. So I have done some Python, and as you probably know, my shell is Python. So having like when I do nix develop inside of a directory with a flake.nix, and this flake.nix contains Python packages, they're automatically pulled into my shell, and I can just write like import PyTorch, for example, or whatever, import torch. If I wanna try to do some stuff with PyTorch, and it just works. It's so nice. So vec of 1, 2, 3. How does this look? Oh, so yeah, I can do regular debug then. But I'm gonna do display for pass. And I think this is the same way. No. Okay, here. And in idx and segment in self zero iter numerate. If idx is greater than 0, I'm gonna write into formatter I'm gonna write a double colon, and then I'm gonna write an indent, or actually gonna do a segment. FMTF like that. So we, this again, this comes from Python. It impacted me a bit. Okay, so displayed path. So if self 0 empty, f empty path. That's gonna be useful. Let's do this. Now, internal. So we have symbol, we have ident, we have path. That's it. And yeah, I don't need that. Functions, bodies. Doesn't implement debug because the body doesn't implement debug in the function. Clone debug. I'm gonna do the same for this. Okay, that's been a bit of a journey. So functions, bodies. Okay, so function has a path and a body. That's enough for now. Body's gonna have so what's body gonna oh my god, what is body gonna have? Also, how do we? By the way, so Zik has AIR. Gonna go to compiler explorer real quick. That's not what I was going to open. Godbolt.org. And can we view the AIR? Oh wait, AIR. Okay, let's start with searching for Zig here. Export function square. Okay, so I want ZIR. I mean, I need AIR. Print air. Can I just do that? Zig compiler options documentation. I don't know. Compiler flags. I need to print CIR. Compiler flags. At least a list of this. Oh, wait, there's a air mention. Verbose AAR. I'm just gonna call it air from this point onwards. Verbose air. And I'm pretty sure it's not gonna put it there. Output though. Didn't even output anything. Huh? Air. Ah, come on. Godbolt print sig air. Is there the playground? There is, but it's the links. That's not what I need. I need a way to print AAR. I don't even remember why I need that. Oh, I do, you know. Zig-play.dev, another playground. So there's no official playground. I need it to emit air. Air. What does air look like? We can do verbose AAR. So verbose air. Explorer. I don't wanna create a file with it. Sure. I can do Nix shell. Nix packages. Should I? Oh, wait. Okay. I should actually have Zik, I think. So let me edit. Rust. Zik. And I should have it instead of my GCC compilers and stuff. Actually, I think. Can we rebuild in time? Chix, so Z downloads, hx test, Zig. Now, Zig can compile C and C++. Since we have checked the source code today on stream, I'm sure in what I just said. And like, if you actually open Zig's website, come on. We can actually see maintain with Zig, incrementally improve your C++ Zig codebase. Some people actually use Zig as a C++ build system. I32 return num times num just to check. So Zig, I don't yet have it. It's building, still building. Come on. Just build. We're downloading stuff. I will need to update by the way soon. Rust overlay. Why do I need a Rust overlay? Oh, also an HOS switch. Why am I doing this when I could OS switch and at least see what's happening? And yes, I did just terminate it, but sure. So at least I will see what's happening and then why is it taking so long. In the meantime, I can just Nix shell, Nix packages Zig. I'm pretty sure that's enough. It's coping, it's gonna be coping. Come on. Oh, and we might drop quite a few frames during this, because Nix is, well, not only disk space intense, but also CPU intense. It's taking a while, but here we're actually fetching signal. Wonder what this does. Wonder what this is doing. Git ignore.nix. What? I don't have that in my SQLite database is busy. Warning error. That's funny. Zig. Okay, so what they were suggesting, build the obj verbose air test zig. And yes, I do have sway in my and downloads directory, and we did just see a lot of stuff. And well, where is the I wonder what this is. So test.o being, my god, that's slow. So this is binary. .o is, I guess, also binary. I wonder why it's test.o. Oh, and th, whatever this is, stable window manager if I've ever used, but very buggy. Maybe I should try that. A debug build of Zig compiler. Okay. I guess I can't. Print Zig air online. Zig air online. Can I do like print air? Okay, yeah, as you can see here, C++ and C. Drop in C compiler, C++ compiler, and archiver. Use very cool, yes, indeed. And there is even libc stuff, but I'm not sure about that. Okay, so I guess I can't see it. But I need it. I wanna know. A lot of stuff depends on that. Maybe I have. Maybe there's an X package. Oh, and by the way, it built already. Zig. There's debug version. ZigPy, Zig standard environment. Maybe there's a debug output or something. No. Shell completion, ZLS. C compiler written in Zig. Yeah, that is interesting. Oops. This requires a debug build of Zig compiler. I don't want to compile Zig from source. Why is there no online thingy? That's so sad. So, okay, so what I want is see an if statement or a while statement or anything like that. I need a debug compiler. GitHub releases, I'm pretty sure, don't give me debug compilers, first of all. Second of all, well, NixOS doesn't run normal binaries, but mine does. And it's not just that I hacked it, it's NixLD and stuff. GitHub. I'm pretty sure it doesn't give me the debug release. Yeah, it gives me Bootstrap, which, well, no. Okay, so I need an if statement. I want to see how if statements are here. Work here. Constant debug return. And branching. So I need branching. That's what I need. Or like actually like any form of jumps. At first, branch, while. Okay, so there's while true, but that's not what I needed. Actually, we can probably figure it out by looking at the source code. Okay, I'm gonna close a few tabs. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna close all of this. So zig source, zig GitHub, src. So I need air. So there's air. Okay, so it's capital A actually. Instruction tag data. Okay, so we have add sub if. Let's actually search for while. Okay, that is interesting. Okay, so they are using branches. Return no instruction block for this one. Conditional branch. Okay, so blocks. So basic blocks. Oh no, I don't like basic blocks. Okay, I need to see the compiler, keyword compiler. So the XML, so if we take a look at this, begin function, arg, addret, end function. I wanna see how this looks. Data, binary operation, branch, block instruction index. Okay, so they have jumps to indices. That is interesting. They have jumps to indices. Should we do the same? Wait. Hold on. So we have an AST here. I need to keep in mind that so like it's not that important how it's gonna be structured, how the HIR is gonna be structured. So we have an AST and we need sorry. So we have an AST and we need to generate an HIR from it, and we need to do variables and other stuff. So I think this is gonna copy the AST structure. And so yeah, okay. I wonder if we could do type inference on the AST. Well, we have items. Item could be a function. That is hacky. That feels hacky. So block, which has statements. Oh no, you don't have tail return, tail expression. That is awful. Let binding item definition expression which has an optional semicolon. Oh no, that's terrible. A slice literal expression, etc. So you have all of this. So for example, having a local binding, let pattern init pattern. Oh, pattern ident might have a, oh my god, What? So pattern. Pass. Where's the type hint? Type ascription pattern. Okay, that's what I need. So clone type. Yeah, that's gonna be too annoying. Too annoying. Too annoying. We did repeat this 3 times, just in case you think you're going insane at now this point, because I am definitely. So yeah, since AST is not suitable for doing type inference on it, we're gonna have to actually construct a HIR, and we could do recursive descent parser. By the way, Rust uses a recursive descent parser. It says so in Rust compiler development guide, whatever. So I win. Recursive descent parser for the win. And sorry, we're probably gonna be ending soon, but oh, hold on. What is this? Hold on. Just what did I see? Dragon version? Oh, that's interesting. Already switched a while back. Okay, so this theme also has a highlight in the right place. So that's a plus. That's good. That's a win. Are not a single pass as recursive descent parsers. A single pass as recursive descent parsers. Oh wow. What a sentence. Well, yes. Also parser combinators are, well, okay, maybe not, but they are type dependent. Well, they generate a lot of data, let's just say. Anyway, body is gonna have, okay, hold on, not that quick. It's gonna be an expression, pub expression. I don't know if we need it. Cast uses recursive descent parser. Yay, that's great. Okay, so expression. Do we actually need the body? Rust, Rust HIR. So there's Rust C middle map. Now this has an item. It just went back to it. Kind being. So for example, function. Or hold on, what do I need? Yeah, function body ID, which is a wrapper around HIR ID. If we come back to map, get body, ident, span, body. Where do we get the body? Huh? So there's body ID, but there's no body. There's no body. But okay. Can't type body. Okay, so there is the body. I have no idea how you were supposed to get it, but sure. So yeah, it has parameters as well. Function closure or constant value. In the case of a function, the body contains not only the function body itself, which is an expression, but also the argument patterns. See, those are something that caller doesn't really care about. Makes sense, you know. So yeah, we're keeping the bodies. Do we need expression IDs, or can we just do expressions? I think we can just do expressions because, well, yeah. Expression IDs don't really make that much sense here. And yeah, as much as I like As much as I'd like to continue on, I think it's 9 p.m. I need to end at this point. So we're gonna, you know what, I'm gonna start the next stream with this theme on. What was it? Because why not? Because I like it. I actually kind of liked it, and so yeah, we didn't really get to see it. That's a complex name. Okay, and we're gonna. Oh yeah, I see here, right here. Yeah, I noticed it, and like I questioned, what did I just see? Oh, it's like a more, well, dim. There was a word like dust, similar to dust. Anyway, um, searching sites. No, hold on. And by the way, yeah, you can see me experimenting with LLMs here. And yes, I did open at some point all the blocks of a tiny llama model to see how it's configured to try and replicate it, but haven't really got around to it yet. So any just in case compiler dev streamers. Ray March isn't even live anymore. Kernel, any suggestions for a raid? Yeah, I do still have a kernel tech. I'm actually running out of water. Eduardo RFS? Okay, sure. Since you want me to do this. Sleeping anyway. Well, I'm gonna be sleeping in 1 hour. Because if I don't, well, I'm not gonna wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow. Well, maybe I am gonna wake up at 7 a.m. Well, I'm gonna wake up at 7 a.m. tomorrow, regardless of when I go to bed. Okay, hold on. Eduardo, sure. No RFS. This at 5:30 a.m. Oh my god. What time is it for you right now? This is early. Like I wake up at 5 to 6 only in 2 cases. Dude, go to bed. It's not time for you to, well, it's not time for you to watch streams. I mean, thank you for joining, obviously. You, Nigel, specifically. But yeah, I only wake up at 5 a.m. if I need to go somewhere, or if I need, or just if I want to, but then I go to bed at like 8 or 9 p.m. Anyway, thank you for joining. Good night to you, and goodbye.